Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome, welcome, welcome. It is Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. We're getting ready to get into it. Bitcoin hit another all-time high. We're chilling. How's everyone doing today? Smash the like button on your way in. Bitcoin options trading went live today, which I believe is why the all-time high was hit. We'll discuss. All right. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Gary Stanfill said, let's epic go. What's going on? How's everyone doing today? Smash the like button on your way in. Tyler said, OMG, I'm so sorry. Don't ban me. Hoff's lost by a penny. Guys, just in case you were not aware, our good friend Hoff's, unfortunately, lost the daily close contest. He was a little too bullish on his guess, and he was a penny over. Very, very sad, very unfortunate for our good friend Hoffs. Everybody, spam the pennies in the chat. We got to get a penny emoji now. Members only penny emoji once we get membership going. Guys, big news today. Bitcoin hits fresh record high above $94,000 as spot Bitcoin ETF options trading kicks off. The price of Bitcoin punched past another all-time high above 94K mark on Tuesday after options trading on spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds officially went live, with BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust product kicking things off. Basically, Wall Street can now leverage trade Bitcoin. So, that translates to roughly number go up. And that's a rough translation, so don't take that to the bank, but maybe take it to your cold wallet. Let's update our liquidation heat map. Points on the chart, we got 91,329. 91,329. I'll go 26, that's fine. And then, ooh, that's a big one. 94,052. See, that's my issue right now. All they got to do is take it up to 94.50, and they get to liquidate how many? How much? $205 million. That is a big number. The Irishman said, hey, all, Hoff's lost by a penny. Tyler said, a bunch of greater than or less than pennies. Hoff said, can we do an Ether prediction contest? I don't know. I've never heard of that asset. Ether? Like the drug? Ether, class of chemicals. Ether are a class of compounds that contain an ether group, an oxygen atom bonded by two organelle groups. Yeah, I've never heard of this. I don't think this is a cryptocurrency. I'm pretty sure it's a class of chemicals. I don't know what to tell you. All right, guys, let's go through our charts really quick. I just want to point out the 94K was part of the fractal. Like, the choppy sideways was in the fractal. If I extend this, though, is that fair if I do this and it's like almost exactly the same exact moves that happen? I don't know. I don't think it is. But anyways, I'm going to take 5% credit for that move. Chris Klein said, hello, good evening. Hello, Chris Klein. Bath said, join the Discord, JJ. Tyler said, another name for Ethereum? That's weird because You can either call it ETH or Ethereum. There's 3 letters or like 10. Why would you pick an in between of the short name and the long name? Doesn't make sense to me. It's just weird. I don't know. You guys are confusing. Ethereum, kind of riding the wave. We'll see if it continues, and I would like to see it break this 34, preferably before the end of the month. I feel like I could do it. I feel like every time I have a prediction, when it's not true, it's because I was too modest. So we'll see what ends up playing out. Chris Klein said, "Wish XRP would hop again. Put a long in at $1.11, and I'm obviously down right now, LOL. But hoping for a bounce. Still looks bearish now, though." Let's go take a look at XRP for our good friend Chris Klein. I didn't realize it got over $1 already. That's quite impressive. It does look like it's bull flagging. I will say that. But you would want to break out, preferably to the upside, and possibly a retest and continuation. There is also bullish div. Right here, price is going up, RSI is going down. So you got there's more bullish indicators than bearish indicators from what I can see. Yeah, because the RSI is higher here, so is the price. So there's no bearish div. I would honestly just expect it to cool off, even if it doesn't break out of this to the upside. I would expect it to just chop for a minute and then continue. Kind of like what Doge did. Doge like broke out and got a little choppy and then started going up. So we'll see if Doge continues its journey as well. Tyler said, "Can you get a head and shoulders from the Bitcoin volume chart?" I don't know. Can you? I feel like I see it. I see this. But this kind of negates it. This right here. If that wasn't there, then I would say sure. Maybe this larger situation? I feel like you could totally do TA on the volume bars. Hoff said, "You would if you're only a little lazy." I don't know what you're talking about. Tishu said, "Good evening. Moonwell's still dropping. If you check the weekly KuCoin chart, it always drops from the highs roughly 70 to 80%. Maybe it does it again. Looking and sharing for opportunities." Let's go look at Moonwell. He said the KuCoin chart. There we go. He said 70 to 80% from the highs, which would be, let's go off of the wicks because we're measuring the highs, 70 to 80%. Let's just go in the middle, 75. Okay, apparently I'm not allowed to click off of that. 75. So you're looking at a penny, 2 pennies, 2 pennies. 70 to 80%. Interesting. Hoff said, "Aren't a lot of these just in bull pennants?" That's what it seems like, yeah. Chris Klein said, "It just looks like it on the 15-minute, but yes, the bigger time frames are promising. Thank you, sir." Janix said, "I've never heard of Head and Shoulders on volume, LOL." We're experimenting. Drew said, "Yo, JJ isn't in the rebooted hard fork." Bat said, "Long TIA 10x at 5.022 weekly open target 5.167. Hoping for a short squeeze higher clown shoe trader vibes." Interesting. Tyler said Gen X LMAO, me either. I just made it up. And then Drew said, damn it, I'm on my iPad and I don't know my words that goodly. Tishu said, but check the weekly trend from previous drops, JJ. All right, let's look at the weekly trend from previous drops. Oh, yeah. That's just on that big one. I would argue that your real drop from your high right here stopped right here, which is around 70. Otherwise, you're looking at 85. It looks like it dropped here, and then there just wasn't enough push to the upside. But this was also when Bitcoin was breaking all-time highs. It's doing it again, and if the move continues, this might not pull back as far. So just remember, the market's super duper bullish right now. So that's definitely going to play a factor. All right, I got to run and grab something really quick, guys. Bear with me for 1 second. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. All right. Let's continue going through. Let's look at that TIA trade from Bath. He said long T at 5.022. What do I have up here? What's this nonsense? Oh, my little accumulation zone. Okay. So that trade is already up. Can I make this not filled? Yeah. Ooh, there we go. That's nice. Okay. Let's go back to the 4 hour. Long 5.022. So this is the trade that Bath is looking to profit on. Going up to 5.167. Okay. Which is, with leverage, can make a decent chunk of change on. 3% move, give or take. Times, let's say, a 10x. That's 30%. That's a pretty hefty move. He said it already filled. Yes. He said I trade the 1 minute and 4 hour. I like looking at, honestly, Bath, I was looking at the 15 for forever. And then I started looking at the 4 hour again when I started streaming, and I feel like everything is so much better now. And I do like looking at the 1 minute when we do the daily close contest. Stop loss 496. I'll move it even soon. Very nice, very nice. Tyler said H bar in a good buy position. Let's go take a look at H bar. H bar on Binance. I do like H bar right now. How far is this retrace? 12%. Previous ones recently 15 and 10. So yeah, I do like it. Looks good to me. Drew said I only care about the daily now. I let you depends on the 15 for me. John D. Filippo said hello everyone. Hello John. Drew, we gotta play some DayZ tonight. We gotta see if we can link up finally. Guys, don't forget to smash the like button on your way in. Let's go through the rest of our charts. Like I said, Ethereum looks good. Total 3 just chugging along, man. Total 3 looks great. Solana. By the way, that TV show that I've been watching, they mentioned Solana a bunch of time because it was like the city of gold or something. It has to do with with El Dorado. And they kept talking about Solana, and I was like, oh shit, that's a coin. It was so stupid. But yeah, Sol looks amazing right now. Absolutely gorgeous. All right. Drew said I sent you a Discord message about that. I had a question. Yeah, I replied. I replied to you, Drew. He said, but I am confident enough now to find you. We just need to spawn at the same time. That won't make a difference. It's gonna be a pain in the ass to find each other. Trust me. It's probably gonna take us like an entire day. Tyler said VeChain is doing its own thing. All right, let's go take a look at VeChain. See how close it is to the legacy fractal already. Look at that. It's beautiful. The cycles are syncing up, guys. VeChain is about to recouple to the legacy fractal, which is trippy. So it's probably going to get up in there. It's probably going to retrace if it does. And then it's going to blast off to the moon. To the moon, baby. Bat said Solana is rich on Qualcomm money. Super nice place. Southern California coast. Nice. John said that's crazy. Drew said it's so much fun. It really is, man. Dude, yeah, Bath, if you could play DayZ with us, that would be so sick, dude. That would be so much fun, all three of us playing DayZ. See how quick we can get shot. Bath said it could keep 2021 investors trapped for another cycle. That's true. That's true. Ada, let's get out of the weekly, because the weekly makes me sad. 4 hour. Just kind of chopping sideways, actually, which is fine. It's doing what it did before, but less. So it's not coming down. We'll see if it maybe gets a continuation of the upside, like repeating liquidity pattern. It looks, if you look down here, we had a little slumpy, little more slumpy, and then a lot more slumpy, and maybe now we'll get a big slumpy. I don't know why I'm calling it a slumpy. It's just the first word that came to mind. Tyler said VeChain hasn't been retracing, just moving very slowly at its own pace. Bath said, have a nice evening, friends. Adios. Take it easy, Bath. You should get DayZ so me, you, and Drew can play. It'd be fun, man. It'd be so much fun. We can voice chat on Discord and find each other in game. Go find a bear or something to hunt. All right, Snack. Snack is just complete moon city. I don't even know. If they get a Binance listing too, I don't even know what's going to happen, man. It's probably going to go to $1 billion market cap. SUI also giving 0 fucks. SUI looks amazing. Drew said Vet needs a reason to move. So many new tokens, why wouldn't anyone buy it over the new darlings? That's what everyone keeps saying, though. The new ones are like vetted. No pun intended. See, kind of doing what SUI's doing, but a little less theatrical. H-Bar is getting spicy, man. They had like some news, some sovereign state or something is going to be using them to mint their own currency or something like that. Index, we're about to go to CAS Index. This is for Index. CAS, unfortunately, well, maybe fortunately, actually, it's probably doing what it did here. CAS is probably going to fake out to the downside, trap some bears, and then go straight up again like it did before. It's done it 3 times now. Everyone got all bullish. Bears were like, haha, it's going to go down. It went down. Then they were like, see, told you so. And then it liquidated them. And then it went down again. And they were like, see. And then it liquidated them. And now it's going down a 3rd time. And they're going to be like, see. And then it's going to liquidate them. And it's going to keep doing that. And the whole time they're going to be like, ooh, KISS is garbage. And they're going to have no money at the end of the bull run. Because they were so emotionally, like, conflicted trying to short CAS. However, I will say, there is bearish div. Now, that is not accompanied... Well, I guess there's bullish div here. So maybe it'll do the pressure cooker thing. We'll have to see. He said CAS got first tier 1 exchange. What did it get? Which one? That's exciting. Drew said buy some vet, JJ. I got my bags. I'm happy with my bags. The only bags that I'm not happy with are my meme coins because I keep buying more. Hoff said Curve been getting sent. Let's go take a look at Curve for Hoffs. Ooh. What is that, 100% move? Damn. Very nice, Hoffs. 82%. Just a nice casual 82%. Index said Kraken. Is Kraken considered tier 1? I thought Kraken was easy to list on. Oh, I guess it is. Okay, that's nice. Hell yeah. Good for them. I don't think I've ever used Kraken. I've heard good things, but I think Kraken was the first one that I heard of Scamwix on. And the most that I've seen them occurring, though, was on KuCoin. Which I thought was funny, because everyone was like, Kraken, Scamwix. And then I was like, we get more Scamwix on KuCoin than Kraken gets. But that's awesome, dude. That's so sick. Hoff said, just like 2 weeks ago, I said Curve was permanently stuck at 26 cents. That's true. That's true, man. Whenever you say it, it becomes untrue. Very cool. Very cool. Next, we got Avalanche. We'll see if Avalanche fulfills the MW pattern. It looks like it wants to try to, but we'll see. Chainlink also was doing the MW, but now it's kind of decoupled from the MW. And I don't think that there's any way that I can make it work. I think that Chainlink is kind of doing its own thing. I really want to see them firmly break above this blue trend line. It was support back here, became resistance back here, and it's still resistance to this day. Drew said, I love KuCoin. KuCoin really is like a darling exchange. It's one of the OGs. They're still around. They didn't rug anybody. The reason I liked KuCoin so much back in the day is because I saw an article. They apparently had been hacked like a year prior to the last bull market, and no one even knew that it had occurred because they had fixed the problem and reimbursed all of their users before anyone even noticed that their money was like gone. They came out of pocket and reimbursed everybody. And then they came out later and they said, hey, we were hacked, funds were stolen, but we made it whole before anyone noticed. And I thought that was awesome. Tyler said, JJ be the first YouTuber to read volume with your own terms. Janix said Bitcoin is really struggling to make moves above 92. Here said link the link. Janix said hopefully Bitcoin pumps now. LOL. Did my part. Billy said JJ. In my early crypto days, I used Kraken for major staking. Really? Doge, getting a little pumpy. Hopefully Doge can do the whole like breakout continuation to the upside thing. It is pretty high though. It's sitting at half of its all-time high. If retail is not showing up to buy Doge, I don't know who is, so it might get a little pullback. But I would love to see it just continue. Honestly, this is what I want from Doge. This is what might happen. Or even further. It might just chill and then go. I don't know. The jury's out. I was not expecting Doge to go crazy this early, but it makes sense just because it's the coin that every single person knows Doge. They probably know Doge more than Bitcoin. Drew said, I know people talk shit about it, but they are solid. Who, KuCoin? I love KuCoin. Tyler said, I don't know who's Crow holder here, but soon you can stake Crow for SHIB. I hate Crow. I'm sorry. I just don't like Crypto.com. I tried to use the exchange last bull market. I could not figure out how to give them money. And then everyone's like, oh, I got the Crypto.com card. And I'm like, oh, what do you need to get that? And I looked into it, and they're like, you have to lock $5,000 worth of our tokens forever. And I was like, oh, that's kind of stupid. Because I got my Coinbase card, and I had to lock nothing. And I get a percentage back of benefits. I don't know. I just thought it was silly. Hoff said Lifer was saying on a stream about all these alts pulling back to their 618 before next real move up. I guess that depends on what time frame and what, because then you can measure the 618 on any time frame and it can be different every single time. But I could see a pullback for sure. Polygonmatic pole also struggling to get above its blue line, which is this is a very shallow area, very shallow move for anything to be struggling. I'm very disappointed in Polygonmatic pole, but we all know that it's kind of doo-doo, so it is what it is. Hopefully it proves me wrong one day and they come back and they're like, hey, we can't print unlimited tokens anymore, and it just moons. But until then, I'm sorry, this one is not a keeper in my opinion. Tyler said I don't either, but they have amazing advertising. That's true. They do good marketing. I will say that. He said that's why I have Crow. Drew said fuck Crow. Hoff said sounds scammy by Crow. Drew said DeFi degen all the way. Hoff said daily. All right. Let's see what else we got near. Guys, don't forget our daily close contest coming up in 27 minutes. First 10 submissions. We start 10 minutes prior. We stop 5 minutes prior. First 10 people to guess get in. Closest without going over, even if it's by a penny, wins bragging rights. If you nail all 5 digits, you win $15. If you nail all 7 digits, which includes the change, you win a special prize, which might be $100. It might be some merch. That's up to me to pick. And maybe I'll put it up to a vote. I don't know. But Tyler said, I know I had a 100% on Crow investment. Nice. Hoff said Voyager had some scam like that with their VGX token. Yeah, it like lowered the fees or something. But that's what Binance's BNB was for too. Not all of them are scams. BNB turned into a whole chain. Philly said, JJ, no. You only need to lock Crow for their upgraded debit card. For the simple debit card, no locking of anything required. I don't know. I think any kind of locking bullshit is a scam. I think Crow's a scam. I fucking hate them. And I will never buy them. But I agree with Tyler's methods. They do have good advertising. Genix said, should I get TradingView Premium on Black Friday? I don't think it would make any difference to my strategy, but it could be nice to have more detailed charts. And then Tyler said, really, even by a penny? True. If you miss it by a penny, you will not win. Janix, for TradingView Premium, I'm not gonna advocate for that, just simply because I think that TradingView Premium is a scam. But that's because I don't use all these crazy indicators and stuff. I've never seen somebody show me that they had 15 indicators and then also show me that they have $1 million sitting in the bank account from all of their profitable trading. With TradingView Premium, I think the only benefit is that you can have more than 2 indicators on the screen at any given time. That's the only thing that I know of that would make it useful. But you can also, what I do is I favorite my indicators. And then if I wanted to switch to, like, let's say Boom Hunter Pro, I can just close off of this Fu Manchu Market Cipher ripoff and then turn on Boom Hunter Pro. And then that, what is it, $300 for TradingView Premium for the year, I can put into crypto. But that's just me. It's completely up to you. It's your decision. I'm not gonna knock anybody for it. I think everyone has their own way of trading. Let's see, how much is it? If you are gonna get it, Black Friday is the time to do it, because that's probably the time that you're gonna get the best deal. Yeah, premium $50 a month, $600 a year, and I think if you get it on Black Friday, isn't it $300 a year? Which would make it $25 a month. So yeah, that's up to you, man. It's totally your decision. He said they're gonna have to sell me a really good deal. Yeah, Index is with me. He thinks it's a scam. Other people will tell us that we're both dumb assholes and that it's a great deal and they can do all of these cool things with it. Which, if you want to try to learn the cool things, then by all means, buy premium, but to each their own. Some people like to pay for Crypto Livestream trading group. I'm not one of those people. I will never offer a paid trading group, but I don't think that people that offer that are assholes or scammers. I think that they're entrepreneurs. I mean, the guy's got a Rolex. He's got a big, beautiful house. Those are two things that I don't have. So I'm not gonna sit here and say that he's an asshole and a scammer just because he offers a service that I don't personally want to offer myself. I think he's a nice guy. And the people that buy into those trading groups do that of their own free will because they're adults. So, to each their own. Tyler said, be right back. Might be back with amazing news. Okay, let's see what this is. He said, Crow's advertising stadiums out there. LMAO. Like, come on, how many people are in stadiums? That's true. Billy said, everyone lost everything. Janix said, they're going to have to sell me a really good deal. Index said, TradingView Premium sure is a scam. Janix said, yeah, that's more than I want to spend probably. Philly said, Tyler, hurry. 50 a month? Damn. Drew said, JJ. What's up, Drew? Janix said, Robinhood introduced Bitcoin ETF options trading. Oh my, leverage Bitcoin on Robinhood now? LOL. Good luck, everyone. Yeah, I believe the Bitcoin options trading is what sparked the new all-time high today. Chili's is doing its thing again. Hoffs, if you're still here, not financial advice, but I might take a trade on this because this has been spiking up off the lows. Every single time it hits a new low. Or it hits a low. And it's getting to that point. Not financial advice. Janix said I'm happy in spot. Yeah, for real. I will say, though, if you're going to trade leverage, Bitcoin's probably the best way to do it because it's not as volatile. Quick update, guys. MicroStrategy. More all-time highs. Absolutely mooning. This does not happen in the stock market, guys. Just since the beginning of the month, MicroStrategy is up 100%. John said, where's Ether going to move? John, we discussed this. Ether is chemicals. A pleasant-smelling, colorless, volatile liquid that is highly flammable, used as an anesthetic and as a solvent or intermediate in industrial processes. So it's going to move, I guess, wherever the EMTs move, wherever the ambulance is. Tyler said, never mind. Big anti-crypto chair is stepping down in January, but not Gary Gensler. Damn. I thought we weren't supposed to find out about Gensler until after Thanksgiving. Because he wants to get his free turkey or his little chode man benefits. Philly said, John, that's what I'm waiting for. Alright, guys. DXY, getting a little dumpy. That's what we want to see, the DXY slump over. Silver finally getting some recovery. Nice to see. NASDAQ, bouncing right back up to the upside. S&P, trying to recouple to the ass fractal. Guys, the ass fractal, I'm not like, I don't know how crazy this is. Just the fact that these moves have occurred almost exactly the same as a fractal is genuinely blowing my freaking mind. Like, it's all about the liquidity pattern. Non-stop. It's all about the liquidity pattern. And sure, these valleys are a little bit deeper than they are in the fractal, but there's a lot more money at play this time, so it makes sense. Jesus Christ. I've said when I started trading group, it's going to cost you a penny a month. That's so good. All right. But yeah, guys, the ass fractal looks amazing. We're looking for like $6,500 target by January, which is going to be crazy if that happens. Bitcoin dominance getting a little pumpy again, which makes sense because Bitcoin is chilling at all-time highs. Billy said, JJ, Ethereum is the blockchain. Ether is the coin. Philly, that is incorrect. Why does it say Ether? Am I going to have a midlife crisis right now? Who is this from? Google Finance? Oh no! My brain! See, this says Ethereum, ETH, CoinMarketCap. I trust CoinMarketCap over whatever the fuck Google Finance bullshit. Ethereum.org. Get ETH, the currency of Ethereum. Nothing says Ether. You guys are making up a nickname that doesn't need to be made up. Fucking Google Finance is even in on the troll. This is ridiculous. Ethereum.org. Okay, thank God nothing here says Ether. I'm gonna join the Discord and ask them. Oh man. Click the button. This button? Oh my gosh. Discord's gonna reveal my true identity. Alright. What the fuck is this? Hello guys. My friends keep saying Ether. And I keep telling them it's ETH or Ethereum. It's starting to affect our relationship. Can you please help me convince them that they are on a deep, dark path that is going to result in someone getting hurt emotionally? Thanks in advance. I appreciate you, ETH folk. I appreciate you. This is what we're gonna do. This is what we're gonna do. All right, all right. Let's see what they say on the fucking Ethereum Discord. Watch them just ban me. How fucking funny would it be if they just if they just banned me without even responding? Oh my gosh. Hop said I would buy merch if you had an Ether mug. You know what? I'll make an Ether mug and it's gonna be the fucking drug. Drew said when I worked at ETH Denver, not a single person said Ether, and when they paid me in Ethereum. Boom! That's what I'm talking about. Drew coming out with the fucking heavy gloves, actually hitting. Janik said nobody said anything in there since 8 a.m. Tyler said, I know you read the Harris Dry Turkey comment. I know, I almost choked on I was eating a fucking Swiss cake roll and I almost choked on it. Hop said, isn't ADA the token for Cardano's network? Yes, Cardano, ADA, Ethereum, ETH. ETH. It's not Carda. Drew said they didn't pay me in Ether. Drew, if they did, that would have been illegal because that is a drug. Alan said the only people I hear using the term Ether for ETH is mainstream media. Thank you. Thank you. That is exactly who it is. It's Cointelegraph. It's only Cointelegraph. And apparently Google Finance. Drew said boots on the ground, JJ. Let's fucking go! Alright, let's see what these screwballs have to say. Yeah, I'm gonna have to wait until 8 o'clock in the morning for the next person to be awake. Oh, that's too funny, man. That is too funny. We'll see the results, though. We will see the results. Offset Ether is truly dead. I have a really dark story about that, actually. My sister's ex, and it's her ex from high school, so we don't actually know him anymore. It's been like fucking 15, 20 years. He actually died from an ether overdose, which is crazy because it's a fucking anesthetic. Hop said they say it on like financial news network. Is this true? That is true. Yeah. Yeah, it's very it's like your grandma saying Dogi instead of Doge. Janik said Ethereum is a decentralized blockchain with smart contracts functionality. Ether, abbreviation, is a native cryptocurrency of the platform. Wikipedia. Fuck Wikipedia. That shit's written by Cointelegraph executives. All right, guys, I do have some articles that I want to go through. I'm specifically talking about Ethereum. So let's go. Don't forget, guys, Bitcoin's ETF options trading started today. So Wall Street now has the ability to leverage trade Bitcoin. All right, here we go. Ethereum DApp volumes gain 38% in a month. Will ETH price follow? Everything but ETH seems to be rallying, even though Ethereum's DApp volumes are surging. What gives? I like the insecure articles, are pretty funny to me. Alan said Kathy Woods has called it Ether. Ew. I liked her too. Why you gotta ruin Kathy Wood for me, Alan? Just keep that shit a secret. Lie to my face. I don't care. Oh my god, they're saying it again! Ethereum price has surged to maintain levels above 3,200 between September 13th and September 19th. However, on-chain metrics have improved, particularly when compared to some of Ethereum's direct competitors. Traders are now questioning how long it will take for Ether to resume its bull run, given its dominance in fees and network deposits. The dominance in fees is the most inflated bullshit I've ever heard of. They could have collected like fucking 1% of the fees of every other network, and they would still collect more money because the fees are so goddamn inflated. No blockchain comes close to Ethereum's 149.9 billion in on-chain volumes over the past 30 days. The second largest competitor, BNB Chain, reached only 26.6 billion, 82% smaller despite offering much lower transaction fees. More importantly, Ethereum's activity grew by 37.7% over the past month, while BNB Chain saw a 6% decline in volume. That is actually very interesting. I'm curious to know if do ETH Layer 2 transactions count as on-chain volume for ETH as well? Or is that different? Tyler said, sure you're not getting it confused with heroin? No, I'm sure. He was Yeah, no, he died. I don't know if it was technically an overdose or if it was asphyxiation from not breathing in fucking oxygen, but he died from like overuse of ether. Philly said, JJ, look in our Discord a sec. Not on stream, Philly, especially not when you tell me to. Drew said, I trust boomer sources. Janik said, LOL. Hop said, Kathy Wood. Philly said, Kathy Wood, no S. Drew said, well, it's because they charge 100x soul fees. Right, exactly. Tyler said, erase that news source, LOL. Janik said, this article is now considered ancient. Is it? Don't tell me that. Yeah, it's only from an hour ago. Philly said, JJ is now quoting Kathy Wood. But yeah, anyways, basically, shit's going up on ETH, but I'm pretty sure it's only because their fees are insanely overrated. And then I got this one. Ethereum price targets 3.7K on soaring smart money interest. Smart money sentiment around Ethereum is significantly positive. Is it a sign of that ETH's rally will continue? Ethereum has demonstrated strength over the last 2 weeks, rising 30% between November 4th and 19th. This rally saw the largest altcoin by market capitalization break above 3,000 for the first time since August 12th. Growing network activity supports Ethereum price. Ethereum smart money sentiment on the rise. I don't know. What is smart money sentiment? That's a thing? That's a measurable thing. What? Data shared by Market Profit reveals that the general crowd held a slightly bullish stance, with a score of just 0.06, indicating minimal enthusiasm among regular investors. Yeah, I'm telling you guys, people are saying ETH is dead. It's probably time to buy. Not financial advice, just what I've been saying. Yeah, Hoff said it's definitely going to run next if everyone was pissed off at it. That's exactly what's happening. People are like, Ethereum not going up. I'm gonna sell all my Ethereum because the price not's going up. And then it's gonna go up. It's gonna go absolutely apeshit banana pants. And then everyone's gonna be like, no, what a stupid scam. It went up as soon as I sold it. Because that's what happens. Off said Clint will be considered smart money sentiment. That's because he uses artificial intelligence. All right, and then our final article of the evening. Guys, we got 7 minutes until the daily close contest, so prep your noggin. Get your fingers ready. Do not submit early or you will be punished. I'm just kidding. And just be prepared to guess. Coinbase to delist wrapped Bitcoin. This one made me laugh because why the fuck would anyone buy wrapped Bitcoin on Coinbase? What is the purpose? That was the most silly listing they ever should have even considered. Like, what the fuck is the point? Coinbase will be suspending trading of wrapped Bitcoin. Also, if it depegs, they're going to get in trouble. In December, citing undisclosed failures to meet the cryptocurrency exchange's standards for listing tokens. What did I fucking say? We regularly monitor the assets on our exchange to ensure they meet our listing standards. Based on our most recent review, Coinbase will suspend trading for wrapped Bitcoin on December 19th around noon. Coinbase has already discontinued market trading of wrapped Bitcoin and is only facilitating trades in the form of limit orders. Bitcoin wrappers are tokens representing Bitcoin on other blockchain networks. Trading will be suspended on Coinbase.com, Simple and Advanced Trade, Coinbase Exchange, and Coinbase Prime. Ooh, what the fuck is Coinbase Prime? Your wrapped Bitcoin funds will remain accessible to you, and you will continue to have the ability to withdraw your funds at any time. Basically, wrapped Bitcoin is absolute trash unless you're using it on the blockchain that it's wrapped on. But even then, it's kind of stupid. All right, let's get back to Bitcoin. Let me zoom out a little more because that's hidden somewhere right here. Guys, just so you are aware, TSU won yesterday. Give him a big congratulations. And also, the day before yesterday, Hoffs lost by 1 penny. He was 1 penny over with his guess. And because the rule is highest without, or closest without going over, and he was over by 1 penny, he did technically lose by 1 penny. Let's see. Billy said, I'm dumping all my ETH. Tyler said, read my last 3 comments, please. I need an answer. If you had a meme blow the F up and didn't have the ETH to pay gas, would you then lose it? What do you mean? So I have a question about the gas fees. So you need to pay gas fee to swap a meme coin back to ETH and cash out, right? So if you had a meme blow the F up and didn't have the ETH to pay gas, would you then lose it? No, you just would not be able to go through with the swap. So what I would advise is you get the money to pay gas, if it's worth that much, and you wait until like 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning, or whenever fees are usually the cheapest. It's usually like 3 or 4 a.m. EST is when fees on ETH are the cheapest, allegedly. Or that's how it was last bowl. You wait until that time, you get all your ducks in a row, get all your ETH on there, you swap back into ETH for your profits out of that meme coin, and then you get the fuck out. But no, you won't lose anything. You just won't be able to transact. Let's see. Drew said, if you want to bridge to ETH, JJ. Philly said 92 to 92. Philly, you are early, my friend. Hoff said, I've never understood what wrapped Bitcoin or wrapped ETH is. Hoff said, if you want to buy like Bitcoin or ETH on Sol, you can basically wrap it on Sol or BNB or even ADA. ADA has wrapped assets, but it's stupid and pointless. Why wouldn't you just buy the regular asset somewhere where you can do that? Tyler said, so then it's pointless to try and pick a millionaire meme on ETH unless you have a shit ton of ETH sitting around to pay for transaction fees, then yes, it is pointless. In my opinion, not financial advice. Drew said, honestly, you're right, half of all this Baroness is kind of a bull flag signal. Hoff said, no, you won't be able to sell it, though. Billy said, Hoffs, you should file a lawsuit against JJ Enterprises. You should have won. Alan said, Bitcoin is like gold, ETH is like Microsoft, Solana is like Apple, ADA is like Linux. I like that. I like that analysis. Even though I hate command prompt, which made me hate Linux when I was in college. Index said, Hoffs wronged by penny. Come on. Tyler said, unless the mean price dumps off, then you're effed. That is correct. Hoff said, I'm dead, Index. Fahid said, I'm so confused. One day Hoffs is a mod. The next day he's not. What is going on? Was he... That is actually confusing. I haven't demodded anybody. Was he a mod? I guess I'll have to look. I don't remember. I have not demodded anyone, so... So we had Drew, Bath, and Fahid. I think that there was a fourth one, but I don't remember who it was. What's going on, Money? Guys, we got 1 more minute until the daily close contest. Let me get this out of here. Don't forget, Hoffs lost by a penny. Let me go down to the 1 minute. All right, we are in our 1 minute, guys. You guys got 1 minute left to start guessing. I never... Hawks was never a mod. I'll give him mod. He said, this is my doppelganger account. Okay, so then he was a mod. I have 2 different phones, and they're 2 different Google accounts. Okay, so he's being a sneaky little bastard. Is he? I wonder if he changed the name on the other account so he can guess twice. Oh, shit. Hawks is your other name, Tyler Yetzer. All right, guys, get your guesses in. That's how I can stuff the ballot box. See, exactly. Hops is out here cheating with this penny bullshit. His other account is actually Fahid. That's why Fahid is always like, I'll be right back. Okay, money, 92, 229, 86. Fahid, 91, 935. 67. John, 92.1. John M. But he said this house must be an imposter then. Billy, 92, 292. Hops, 92,001.01. Hops, you're going to lose by a penny if you keep doing this penny bullshit. Tyler. Tyler. Shut the fuck up. 92,001.02. No fucking way. Just have fun. $1. Alan. 92,002. Oh man, that's too funny. That is too funny. All right, guys, we got 3 more minutes and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2 more spots. If 2 more individuals want to get in now. Also, smash the like button. If you win and you have not smashed the like button, you will be disqualified. Janix said I'm right after Alan. Janix, send it again. And Index. Damn, both you guys. Yeah, both you guys ain't showing up. I'll show you guys just to make sure. Just so you guys are aware. If I go to live chat, I see nothing from Index or Janix. We got Money, Fahid, John, Drew, Billy, Hoffs, Tyler, Just Have Fun, Alan, and that's it. Yeah, I don't see shit from you guys. Hobbs is so mad. There we go. We got Index, okay? 92.001.03. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. I'm on live chat. You got live chat or you got top chat. I'm on live chat. Discord, send it in Discord. I'll go check it. That's why I was thinking it was because of the dot, but I don't get nothing. Let's see. Is it in the Discord? 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 There we go. I got it, Janix. I got you. All right. That's it, guys. That's it. Polls are closed. Yeah, we got a bunch of people screwing everybody else over. Yeah, there you go. Janix, send it from that way from now on. All right, let's put these in order. Guys, we got 5 more minutes until the daily close. Let's see. We got 92,229, 91,935, 92,1. Copy. Paste. 92,292. Copy. Paste. And then 92,001,01. Copy. And then 00102. You guys are fucking assholes. And then 92,001,03. Copy. Paste. All right, then we got $1. Put this one at the bottom. Copy. Did I copy it? Okay, I did. And then 92,002. Copy. Dude, Alan coming in and just fucking over all these morons. Oh, Alan's definitely MVP for that one. That one's sick. Oh, man. The 2 cents is wild, right? Right? All right, and then we got... $91,935, $92,175. Copy. Paste. All right, I think we're in order. So we got $1, 91,935, 92,0101, 92,0102, 92,0103, 92,02, 92,100, 92,175, 92,229, 92,292. All right, let's see where we go. Let's see where we go from here, guys. Good game, good game. Everybody, good game. Spam the bananas in the chat for how good of a game you guys gamed. Good. Good game. That's pretty funny. This is pretty damn funny. We are at currently at 92,242. I'm going to make my guess now. I got 2 minutes. I'm going to say, I think Alan's going to take it. I think Alan's going to take it today. What do I get when I win? When I guess the correct winner. Let's see. Did we get to our... we got 12 people watching, guys. Smash the like button. Did we get to our 10 like goal? Yes, we did. Hell yeah. Good job, guys. You did it. Quick update on our face reveal goals, guys. We got face reveal goal option 1, 262 subs, which is 44% of our 600 sub goal. Face reveal goal option 2, $425 US, which is 85% of our $500 US goal. You guys are absolutely killing it, and I appreciate every single one of you. Index said if you win, we each give you $1. Hell yeah. Fahid said JJ wins, he has to buy a shitter for $5. I like that idea. Money said basically just have fun. If you're on the list, it's what it says at the bottom. Right? All right. Guys, this is it. This is the candle. This is the one. I think it's gonna... I'm still sticking with Alan. Oh shoot. It's gonna be Philly. Oh, was it Philly? It closed at 92,310. It was Philly. Congratulations. And what decimal? 92,310.79. Congratulations, Philly. Philly wins bragging rights and unsolicited nudes. Everybody send your butthole pics to Philly. 92,310. Philly's guess was 92,292. Congratulations. Bragging rights for Philly and unsolicited nudes. Spam the bananas in the chat for Philly. He is our winner this evening. Was that the highest Bitcoin daily close ever? Let's go see. Let's go see. The daily. It was. Guys, that was the highest daily close for Bitcoin in all of history, all of time, ever. Bitcoin has never, ever closed a daily close that high. Money said I was so close. Drew said Philly cheated. Alan said pump. Money said I calculated all my indicators. Hashtag rigged. Index said rigged at last second. Hoff said money, that's not close in my world. Hoff's lost by a penny. Got the penny. Oh man. Fahid said LOL. Drew. Tyler said wait, everyone want to do $10 for face reveal? Philly said no way. Janik said sure wasn't a bad daily close, right? Alan. Philly, relax. But I will read. Philly did say, suck it, everyone. Oh, Alan spamming bananas. We got 16 people watching. Money said, Hawks, you weren't even in the range. He's got to hit plausible deniability. He's going to lose for the next couple of days. Then him and Fahid are going to get together and do whatever weird magical voodoo Bitcoin manipulation that they do. Fahid's going to get within $1 and Hoffs is going to probably win because he's just setting up all of these theatrics right now. as plausible deniability so that we can't say that he manipulated the price to win when he actually wins. And he's been, every time he comes in here, he's like, no one's ever going to win. And then he gets within a penny after all of those theatrics. I'm on to you, Hoffs. I know exactly what you're doing. You and your Tom Petty bullshit. Index said, Hoffs, you will always be remembered as a penny guy. That's so good. Guys, we got to get a giant penny for Hoffs. We have to get him a giant penny. Like, come on. Oh, man. What a fun time. Fun time. Congratulations, Philly. Winner, winner. Philly said I'll pay $20 for JJ face reveal in a ski mask. I gotta get off the daily. Oh, that was a good one. That was a good one. Good daily close, guys. Highest daily close of all time. We're witnessing history here. John said a giant penny with Hoff's birth year as the penny year and give it to him for his birthday. Absolutely. Hoff said, what kind of candle is the daily? Let's go check on the daily candle. A green one. Understanding basic candlestick charts. This isn't gonna tell me the candle types. Potential direction up. Okay, so if there's a wick to the upside and a really big green body. This one's just indecisive. Potential direction. I could go up or down. Yeah, I don't know if it's going to tell us. We got a big green long line. Okay, here it is. I think this is one. Long line candle belt hold. That's a doji, spinning top, belt hold. Okay, let's look that up. A bullish belt hold. What it is, how it works, and how to trade. Okay. Yorikiri in Japanese often signals a shift in investor sentiment from bearish to bullish. This candlestick pattern occurs frequently and shows mixed results in predicting securities' future price. The potency of the candlestick is enhanced if it forms near a support level, such as a trend line, a moving average, or market pivot points. Interesting. As with any other candlestick charting pattern, traders should consider more than just 2 days of trading when making predictions about trends. The bullish belt hold can be found across all time frames, but is more reliable on the daily and weekly charts as more traders are involved in its formation. Nice. Guys, Bitcoin just closed a bullish belt hold. Thank you, Hops. Tyler said I'll send 2201. You guys are out of control. Philly said, thank you, everyone. You may bow to me now. Tyler said, I can't do super chats. Yeah, Tyler, our goal, so the whole point of the stream goals is to enable super chats. Full transparency on the channel, guys. I'm going to go show you my analytics. So in order to enable super chats, I need to have 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours. Now the streams do a lot for the watch hours. Before, the watch hours was only about half of my subs. It's catching up now. I suspect before we get to 500, I'll hit 3,000 watch hours. So we're trying to hit 3,000 watch hours and 500 subscribers, and then I will be able to enable super chats and memberships, and I'll be able to link my store so that it actually shows up in the bottom of the videos. So that's part of what the face reveal goals are for. Fahid said, actually, Philly, we're supposed to send you nudes. That is true. That is true. Philly said, Fahid, I ignore you. You can't even post GIFs. All right. Guys, don't forget to smash the like button. Share the stream with your friends and family. Tyler said, keep grinding, brother. We are here. Oh, yeah. I will say, this week, it's gonna be like rainy and crappy out. So I think I'm gonna be getting off work a lot earlier than normal. So I'm probably gonna stream a lot more. Hops said, does YouTube keep part of the super chat money? Hops, I'm pretty sure they keep like 50%. Hops said, then why do they make it so hard to get it turned on? I'm not sure, actually. That's a good question. Tyler said, don't forget us from the beginning, or we will do mean things to you. Of course not, man. I'm not gonna name names, but I think it's the tackiest shit in the fucking world when influencers shit on their audience, especially their early audience. I'm not gonna name names. I'm gonna shut up right now. I'm gonna quit while I'm ahead. But there are certain people who piss me off for doing stupid shit like that. Or like judging super chats because they're like less than $5. That one I will call out. Actually, that person is fucking Mitch Ray's little fucking pussy ass bitch ass face. And for that, I told him that I fucked his mom in a super chat, and it was really fucking funny. And he like froze and he just stared at the screen for like 5 minutes. I don't know if I like unlocked some PTSD or something. It got real for a second. Like his face got really red and he just froze and stared at the screen. I was like, oh shit. Like I kind of felt bad. But also, fuck him. He like tried to bitch me out because my super chat was only $2 or something. It was the dumbest shit, dude. Never wanted to fucking punch somebody in the face on the internet so fucking hard before. Billy said Hops, yes, 30%. Tyler said name them. Billy said 30%, JJ, not 50. Okay, well, 30 is a lot better than 50. All right. All right, guys. Bitcoin's going up. This is exciting. We might be in for a long one today. I got a little controversial. I apologize. A couple people left. If you like Mitch Ray, I don't really give a shit. I think he's a pussy. Oh. John said that's why I never do super chats. It's pretty messed up that they take so much. I think Twitch is the better place. Let's see. Um, 70-30. Oh. So it's the same thing. Damn. Okay. That's kind of a lot still. Just for facilitating it? Jeez. Drew said, yeah, you have to send him a dubski. Tyler said, Crow's having a nice little pumpy. Let's go look at Crow. Even though I was talking crap earlier, I'll go look at it. I like the concept of holding it because they have good marketing. I do like that. Ooh, 7%. Wow. Very nice. Billy said, JJ, do you want to get your show hours up? Start doing 8-hour streams. I did a 12-hour stream. If you guys are ever out of the house or something, if you put this on the TV, it'll help me out a lot. Go to my lives. Go all the way down. It's pretty far. I don't remember when it was, actually. Do you guys remember when the 12-hour stream was? Here's a 4-hour one right here. The 12-hour was just before that. Here's a 6-hour one. And then 12-hour stream right there. 12-hour Saturday stream. This was before I perfected my my thumbnail with all the junk. But it's just shy of 12 hours because there was some copyright infringement materials in there that I had to cut out. So, unfortunately, I don't technically have a 12-hour stream live on my channel, which in turn I think means that we're going to have to do another one. Just saying. Look at how shitty my thumbnails used to be. That 12-hour stream, though, that was my first time getting over 100 views. That was fun. That was a lot of fun. But yeah, we'll do another one. We'll do another one soon. When do you guys think we should do it? I think we should do it before Christmas. 12-hour stream. Drew said, I'll just cash app you. I thought it was 30%. Then you have to pay taxes on the remaining 70. So you get to keep 0.50 of every dollar, right? Money said, do 24 hours instead. I think 24 hours would actually kill me. I would have to, like, do drugs in order to do a 24-hour live stream. A lot of people would probably watch, though. Tyler said, so Mr. Beast technically making billions of dollars? From what? Drew said, well, on this day, I went to Bass Pro. I remember that. What are you talking about? Yeah, I'm not gonna talk about Mr. Beast, but I agree with Drew. Dang Crow is getting super pumpy. 8% now? What is going on? The whole market's getting pumpy? Ooh. Guys, I'm so ready for this. It's been a long time coming. Let's get nasty. I want the market to just go complete. My boss checked on his lobster wallet, which is a stellar thing. And last bull market, he like insisted from all of these conspiracy channels that he watched, he insisted that I help him buy a bunch of these scam meme coins on Stellar. And I was like, okay. And he was like naming them all off while I was pulling them up. He's like, is that the right one? And I was like, I don't know. I don't know anything about these. And he's like, well, buy that one. So we bought them all. He put about $2,000 in. It's been like 3 or 4 years. The market's recovering. His $2,000 is $124 now. He's like, how come this one's only worth $1? And I'm like, I'm pretty sure that one's a scam. Today this all happened. I had to break the news to him. I was like, you insisted on using this wallet and this chain, which I told you, these assets are not available on this chain. But you insisted and I helped you. And this is kind of the result of that. And he was like, I don't know, he refused to acknowledge the fact that he got scammed. It was the funniest thing. All right. Hop said Black Friday. Drew said yes, Philly, but if read further back in the 50 cents is after you pay taxes. You will have to pay taxes on 70%. Tyler said I heard that, but didn't know if it was true. Was literally bullshitted this whole time and didn't look at the market, lol. Billy said, JJ, can you see the individual names in the chat if they don't type anything? No. Drew said, it's lame what they did, Philly. Just Google it because it's a lot of words. Are you guys talking about the Mr. Beast thing? It's pretty fucked up. All right, guys, we have yet to update our meme coins. Let's see where we're at. Tony Rosas said, yo, what up, JJ? What's going on, Tony Rosas? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Philly said, Drew, I see Mr. Beast, this Mr. Beast that in YouTube, but I didn't view any. Tyler said, yep, that's why I like Crow. I feel like I'm in the Twilight Zone right now. You guys are having completely different conversations that I have like no skin in the game. All right. Splo. I think the biggest disappointment in all of my bags is Splo. What else do we got? What else do we got? I don't know. I'm like weirdly surprised at how flat all of this crap is. Let's go look at nothing. Let's look at Shigen because it looks like it got a little pumpy. Baka, I know, is down tremendously. Like this thing kind of rugged hard. Oh no! It wicked up to my entry? Damn. Well, we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Shigen, getting... I see bullish div again. But again, it didn't play out before, so why would it play out now? But we'll see. We'll see what happens. This one's it's different. It's either hidden or not. I don't remember. But I think, yeah, this moon bag is currently sitting at break even on Shigen. Nothing. I think I've fully taken profit on this. Yeah, I fully took profit on this morning. Should I buy back in is the question. It's probably a good idea to do so, correct? Oh. Oops. Really? Okay, so $11. Yeah, I'll throw $11 at it for now. Okay. Tyler, yep. Yo, Tony. Tyler said, hate the player, not the game, LOL. SUI back green. Money said, by the way, which state you live in? I actually live in Michigan. And then Tony said, JJ, check the post I dropped in the Discord. All right, let me check it on my other thing. Ooh, the food? Damn. That's fucked up that you did that, Tony. I'm hungry. All right, let's confirm this. And then let's go to the Discord. I'll show it on stream. Oops. Dude, just go to the freaking website. All right. Oh, the Ethereum people replied. Okay, let's go here. Tony's got chicken and rice. Very nice. I'm jealous. That looks delicious. All right, let's see the Ethereum people. Oh, no. Son of a bitch. Oh. Damn. Guys, it's a sad day. It's a sad day for all of us. Apparently, I am going through a midlife crisis. ETH equals Ether equals refer to the native... Or, I'm sorry. I swear to God, I did not do that on purpose. Oh, shit. ETH equals Ether equals refer to the native coin of Ethereum. Ethereum refer to the blockchain network. According to Ethereum yellow paper, what they do, piss on it? Ethereum is an intrinsic currency. Ether, known also as ETH and sometimes referred to by the Old English D? Some devs will often use the word Ether if they are talking about the coin. Sometimes people use the words interchangeably. For example, use Ethereum and refer to the ticker of the native coin of Ethereum. Because most people do not know the precise definition of the words, I think it's okay to use any words as long as other people understand the meaning based on the context. To me, I use ETH more often than Ether because not everyone knows Ether equals ETH in my language. Actually, we can distinguish between the coin and the network clearly, so there's no problem. But where I come from, Ether is a drug. Son of a bitch. How dare they not confirm my bias? Oh, shit. All right. Fahid said, don't forget to like the stream and subscribe. Join the Discord in the description. Drew said, I live on planet Earth. Billy said, JJ, I have a show request. Top 250 of your favorite meme coins. Sleep in the first 25. Tony said, I'm eating it now. Drew said, I'm making breakfast for dinner. Janik said, LOL. Tyler said, you got burned. John said, ROFL. Get wrecked. Janik said, LMFAO. Fahid said, what the hell? Ha ha ha. That's funny. Philly said, eat it, JJ. I win. Philly wins again. Philly wins again. Fahid said, Philly, don't spam, dude. Philly said, JJ, admit your defeat to me. Not kidding either. Drew said, if ETH's dear leader didn't say that, it's a lie. I agree. I'm gonna spread the gospel. I'm gonna take this so seriously now. I'm gonna tell all these people that they're like that they're convincing a bunch of people in Michigan to do drugs because they all think that Ether makes money. So they're like huffing this fucking gas. Money said, can I join or will Hoff ban me? No, you can join. Join away. Tony said, Ether is the song where Nas destroyed Jay-Z. Philly said, JJ, admit I am your god. Philly, I have no god. I am the fractal Farquad. Sir, watch your mouth. Guys, SNEC is up 1.37%. Cardano's up 2.26%. I'm sorry, but Ether is down, bitch, because they can't figure out what the fuck the name of the coin is. Oh, shit. That's too funny. That is too funny. Oh, man. What a fun time, man. We gotta get to the bottom of some more crypto mysteries. Let's see what we can figure out. All right, we're gonna do a new segment, the crypto investigation segment. All right, missing Bitcoin and lost execs. What? What is this creepy shit? Biggest unsolved mysteries of the crypto world unraveled. Okay, let's get into this first one. Missing Bitcoin and lost. This one's a little more serious. It's Bitcoin White Paper Day, but it's also Halloween. Here are Cointelegraph's 6 crypto mysteries to share around the campfire. All right. The haunted hard drive and lost Bitcoin in a trash tomb. I still think this guy's full of crap, but whatever. The undeletable zombie Bitcoin of the immutable ledger. Like Howell's Forsaken Fortune. Okay, I remember this one too. This one's not even spooky. The tethered phantom of USDT. Tether's influence, but beneath the calm surface of the stablecoin, rumors swirl like fog over a graveyard. Unaccounted reserves, shadowy dealings with regulators rumored to be circling like vultures. Yep, that's not a spooky story either. The disappearance of Quadriga CX's founder. Oh yes, there's a documentary about this on Netflix. What? Ooh, spooky, spooky, spooky. Okay. What else do we got? The Crypto Queen's Vanishing Act. Ruja Ignatova, also known as Crypto Queen, is the infamous founder of OneCoin, a cryptocurrency that was later exposed as a multi-billion-dollar Ponzi scheme. She disappeared from public view in 2017, just as investigations into OneCoin were intensifying across multiple countries. Her current status, whether she is dead or alive, is unknown. It was marketed as a revolutionary digital currency that would rival Bitcoin, promising huge returns for investors. However, it lacked a true blockchain and was essentially selling worthless tokens. I mean, you gotta fucking know what you're putting your money into. Jeez, this guy's poor face. What else do we got? There's no good ones, man. We gotta put together a list in the Discord of crypto mysteries for us to investigate on stream. All right. Hey, Money said maybe I'm in the wrong Discord. There's some random chicken in chat. That's pretty funny. The general chat does get a little out of hand sometimes. Just so you're warned. And also, there's a bunch of dudes in there, so just bear with us. There are very few women who can actually handle our stupidity. All right, we got Satoshi Nakamoto, we got Crypto Queen, we got massive untouched Bitcoin wallets. Is that it? Should we try and figure out who Satoshi is? That'd be kind of funny. Fucking index. All right. A word can have different meanings. Blasphemy. Am I going to get in trouble? I don't want to get kicked out of this stupid Ethereum Discord. Oh, man. I don't know what else to say. Ooh, Zach Ethereum is typing. Okay, let's see what he says. Index. I can't read that out loud. Drew said, you mean Jazz? Well, we also had Denise. I don't know where she went, though. And MC. I'm not even going to... Sis is not a woman. She is just a thief. Zach said, in your context, ether as a drug refers to historically used as a recreational inhalant and blockchain. Ethereum's cryptocurrency unrelated to drugs. I don't know what to say to these people. They're all technical. I am in denial, John. I'm gonna gaslight him. Oh, this is gaslighting 101, guys. Take notes. Oh man. Tyler said, say while talk by the campfire, LMAO. Drew said, to be honest, JJ, your argument was lame with it being a drug. Hey man, I'm improvising here. Give me a break. Ether is the native crypto. I have never heard Vitalik refer to it as ether. And I've seen every single piece of Vitalik footage that exists. I love him. No, I'm not gonna say that. They're gonna ban me. I'm gonna get in trouble. Drew said ADA isn't for American Dental Association. No, it's actually for Americans with Disabilities Association. Drew. Ooh. ETH is short for ether. You can use any word you prefer. Now they're just gonna make me feel like a jackass. How do I stop other people from using words I don't prefer? They probably think I'm a lame little bitch. That's too funny. Why do stupid people say ether instead of ETH? Damn it. Is it ether or ETH? Ethereum is a blockchain. Ether is the native cryptocurrency. Why does everyone keep saying that? That's not true. I can't stand it, man. I still can't stand it. I will be in denial. I will die on this hill. All right. Tyler said just be a good boy. Billy said JJ ETH mod's gonna ban you, bro. I don't care. Tyler said you're getting bullied on your doing. Drew said shh, you're not lame. Fahid said ask if Ethereum Max is the same as ETH. Billy said JJ, I said ether was the native token. I wouldn't lie to you. Index at ETH ain't tuning high. I don't know what that means. Drew said, bro, you can't trust Google. That's what I'm saying, man. It's like Google Finance is what called it Ether. As I mentioned before, I can use ETH more often when I talk to most people, but when I talk to devs, I'll use the word Ether. Shut the fuck up. You're not talking to devs. Who the fuck is this bitch? Oh, man. Okay, fine. Oh shit. I'm waiting for the ban. I'm waiting for the ban. I'm trying to be tame. I feel like I've been nice. Tyler said, "Can we check charts?" JJ's preferred pronouns are ETH/Ethereum. That is my preferred pronouns, not fucking Ether. It's bullshit. Chris said, "Ask him what projects have those devs worked on." Oh man. All right, let's look at total 3. I'm kind of waiting to see what total 3 is gonna do. I like how the RSI is resetting, but that is also setting up bearish div. Oh man, I'm scared to go back in there. They're like a bunch of, I don't know, all these really smart people remind me of my cousin Chris. And my cousin Chris is kind of an asshole. Oh shoot. That's fun. What a fun time. We gotta find more discords to gaslight people in on stream. Hopefully the channel doesn't get too big, because then people will be onto me. They'll know. Alright, what's SUI gonna do next? Because it is just doing this all-time high thing. So it breaks up, it goes up, it breaks up, it goes sideways. Is it gonna break up and go down a little bit? It's kind of doing like a woo. Is it gonna plateau eventually and get some nice sideways choppy and then a big bust to the upside? Drew said, okay, yep, I read that. Bahid said, can we troll Savvy's Discord, or are you still banned? Was I banned there? I don't know. I don't even want to associate myself with those people. They're fucking miserable. You know, I tried to go into the let's actually see if I can go to it. I went into the to the Bitcoin Reddit. Let me see. I wonder if it's still going to be on here. It's going to be pretty old. It was in r/Bitcoin. r/Bitcoin. And I tried to show them. It's right here. Okay, I showed them. I showed them a fuck ton of my trades. And they deleted it. Okay, no, I deleted it eventually. Because I was losing fucking karma from it. But I came in here and I was super nice. And I showed them, I was like, hey, I made money trading crypto. You can too. And that's all I did. And I showed all of my trades. And they got so mad. They got so freaking mad. Why do crypto bros always come in here when it pumps 5 to 10%, but never when it's down 65 to 85? By the way, this was a year ago. Crypto was down so fucking hard a year ago. So I don't know what these dumbasses were thinking. This is what gamblers do. They talk about wins and gloss over losses. I don't know. I thought it was funny as fuck. This guy broke this out. I'm earning 4.3 on a savings account. It's awesome. Oh, shit. I don't know, man. These people, they got so mad. They got so mad. It was too funny. Too funny. Definitely highly recommend checking out r/Bitcoin. It's just a bunch of angry no-coiners. See, they're just mad. They're just mad, dude. It's a bunch of like Peter Schiff sympathizers. They're so angry and upset. I bet you they were like super anti-Trump. All right. Let's see. Billy said drew me too, blah blah blah. Yeah. Yeah, guys, an actual Reddit I just came across, I had to do a triple take. What the F? Oh shit. Yeah, see, it's all the tether FUD. They're anything that they can when it comes to crypto and bad news, they post on here, and it's freaking funny. They're so mad. Just a reminder that yes, Bitcoin is priced in tethers. What? Talking about? They can't even say the words right. It's so cringy. I don't know. It's a fun read when you're bored. Go on r/Buttcoin. They're very, very angry no coiners. Very sad. Index said those people probably listen to my TA. Billy said JJ saying I made money trading Bitcoin so can you is the beginning of every spammer looking to scam users. I think I literally just showed I had like probably 30 or 40 pictures of my trading cards from Trading Cardano all last year. And I shared all of my trades and I said like I made money trading. It's not that hard. Which by the way, when the asset like hits the bottom and you trade up from there, it's not hard to make money, dude. It's not hard to make money. Down here, and the price is going up every single week, it's not hard to make money. And they were like, this is impossible. You're clearly a scammer. Oh, I'm making 4% APY on my savings account. They're so mad. Those are the same people that buy fucking SafeMoon and Iron Finance with fucking Mark Cuban. And then they get pissy when they get rugged after being promised 283% APY. Fucking idiots. I don't understand it, man. And then they get mad at everybody else. Oh, man. All right. Let's see. We got Popo. I still can't believe this thing died this hard, man. This is the biggest upset in my entire crypto career, I think, is Popo. I loved this stupid little rock. And it was super memeable. And now it's not. Rest in peace, Popo. I'm still not selling my bags. Oof, this was like 30 bucks once upon a time. Moment of silence for my baby boy. Okay, moving forward. Nothing. I put 11 bucks into this. Yeah. I think I made like $60 or $70 off of this from the bottom. There's something about it, like apparently it was made by God on Twitter, or it's made by the person that made the God Twitter account or something like that. Damn. Dude, the merch. Come on, that's great. Oh shit. The Heat said, I wonder what my SafeMoon holding is worth. Billy said, and Safe Mars. Drew said, LOL SafeMoon, I was calling that a scam when Lifer was still shilling it. Index said Safe Moon Luna was epic. Dude, I still can't believe Luna. Should we buy some Luna? I feel like Lunk is not a bad buy. Okay, maybe maybe not. Maybe just forget I said that. Drew said 10 soups, Fahid. Fahid said, really, Drew? No way. I should sell. Dude, I would take some soup. Fuck yeah. I'm thinking, I don't know what I'm thinking. Ooh, I like it when my bags get pumpy, though. That's fun. Guys, I like it when all this crap starts to turn green. That makes me very, very happy. I don't know why. For some reason, it just makes me happy. This thing, I think I sold all of it. No? Okay, I must have put $5 back into it when it started to go down yesterday. Oh, man. This is the one that the Bath suggested we buy. So I'll hold it. Still got good volume. Great volume. 1.1 million. Very nice. Let's see what the top tokens are right now. I like to sort based on volume. We got Eliza. We got AI16Z Eliza. We got Hella, Science Cult Mascot. Vafu Dasha. I don't know what this is. 95 million. Wow. Blob. But I like Blob. Dude. I can't buy this. It'll rug. What happened to fucking Hawkcat? That one rugged faster. Like that rugged like live on stream. Where even is it? Oh no. It's worth 24 cents. No, wait a minute. Ticker's ETH went to 0 too? What the fuck, man? Damn it. Skynet's doing better than these scams. Oh. Tyler said, damn it, JJ. I'll get you to buy some crow. Perhaps. Drew said, JJ, you sound like a scammer. Now you're promoting a scammer. Who did I promote? I don't remember promoting anyone. Index said, guys, JJ sent a FOMO into Luna. I mean, I feel like is regular Luna even still? You know what? I feel really bad for her. Do Kwon named his daughter Luna. Like, that's awful. Yeah, this is crazy. What did this thing go up 28% the other day for? What the fuck was that about? Probably some, if you put like a couple grand in this over time, and then you just launch like a $50 Google Ads campaign, you probably get a $14 spike on this. In which case, if you put 10 grand into it, then that's $1,400. And it only costs you $50. So, I'm not saying buy it, but definitely buy some Snack and Cardano. Not financial advice, though. Exercise caution. Purchase at your own discretion. Guys, don't forget, Philly was the winner today. Congratulations, Philly. Bragging rights. Very nice, very nice. Index said Luna in my language means moon. Yeah, I do believe that is like the universal term for moon. But that's still sad. He named his daughter after this cryptocurrency that he completely destroyed. Like, that's messed up, man. That's messed up. Ugh. Alright, guys. I'm probably going to call it a stream. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Thank you for watching, smashing the like button, and sharing the stream with your friends and family. If anything crazy starts to happen with Bitcoin, I will hop back on. Otherwise, I will see you guys tomorrow. Happy Tuesday. And I will see you all next time.